A man walking past an elephant camp observes large, powerful elephants who are not held by cages or heavy chains, but by a small rope tied to their legs. The man is wondering why the elephants don't use their immense strength to break the rope and escape. He asks a trainer for the reason, and the trainer explains that the same rope was used to tie the elephants when they were young and small. As a calf, the elephant lacked the strength to break the rope and could not escape. Every attempt resulted in pain and failure. Even as the elephant grew into a strong adult, it never forgot its past inability to break free. It still believed the rope could hold it, and therefore never tried to break it.
Moral: the story highlights the power of limiting beliefs and conditioning. Many people live with chains of self-doubt, past failures, or societal expectations that are no longer real but still hold them back. Like elephant, we may have forgotten our true potential, clinging to past failures.